This is the B-Van, a camper van you can rent on Airbnb in Puerto Rico. On today's episode, we'll be taking this bad boy out all around the island. Follow me on this adventure on this amazing camper van, the B-Van. Let's go.
So guys, right now it's pouring rain. I'm completely blacked out right now, but that I can get it. Look how pouring that is. I'm gonna go get some coffee. Now what the others, great coffee, great breakfast. So watch me try to do all of this stuff so we can drive. That right there is the Aguadilla Airport. You can take international flights here to Aguadilla to the west coast of Puerto Rico, and there's a lot of flights coming from Fort Lauderdale, Orlando, Newark, and JFK too. So if you're planning to come into Puerto Rico and you want to do like one coast, and then you can do coming in Aguadilla, go around the island, and go out San Juan. But right now it's closed. So check your schedule if you're coming this 2021. So right now we're gonna go to a coffee place right here. It's a little it's not a food truck, but it's a little truck, and you get coffee drive-by. So with this rain and all this stuff, that's the best way we could have done it, you know. Once I get the coffee, I'm gonna stop in a really good spot and I'm gonna work on that and try to get that breakfast going. So we got buy 10 cups and get your 11 for free. So more than halfway there already. This was really dangerous. This was completely abandoned, overturned. There was a lot of criminality during the night and a lot of that stuff. So the community slowly got together and started cleaning it, and these past 2 years they've got a lot of things done and a lot of work done here. The mighty trusty V-Van right here. I'm gonna walk you guys a little bit to the beach. It's really bad today. There's over 15 to 20 feet swells this weekend, so the advisory was not to swim, and I think you can pretty much tell why. So this is Punta Borinquen. As you can see, we are right there. This is the Aguadilla zone. Look at all the beach, the international airport down there. This was the Lighthouse, the ruins you see. This was before 1918. So the Lighthouse was inaugurated in the 15th of September of 1889. And when the United States came to Puerto Rico and they invaded and they won Puerto Rico in the Treaty of Paris, they get some money to fix it and to try and make it better. But in October in 1918, there was a 7.5 earthquake. So it basically destroyed it. And these are the ruins. Here we had some earthquakes in 2020, at the start of 2020. This whole facade was complete. Everything was still in structure. But just like in 1918, the 2020 earthquakes just crumbled it more and more. You can see right here. This is where the old lighthouse used to be. This part right here, it's where it erected high to the sky and led warning for travelers, for sea travelers. Go to the next spot. So, as I have been before in Crash Boat, this is usually super packed. And today, since the rip currents are really bad and there's a lot of waves, they told beachgoers to not go and stay inside because the bad weather, it's really dangerous. So the only people you see here are people that really know how to swim, and they're surfing, they're doing some kind of water sport. But other than that, there's not gonna be a lot of people. And that's the water crashing on the pier. That's how strong it is. Let's check it out real quick and we're gonna get out. So now we're gonna have some breakfast, and what do we have here?
Meat pastelillo.
It's like a fritter, like an empanada, but it's called pastelillos. Pastelillos, they have that order like that, and the empanadillas, it's like a roped. Yeah, yep. And this is mine. This is from conch shell, Carrucho. It's so delicious. Shellfish, so good. Okay. Oh, hear that crunch. Oh, look how filled is that. So today it's haven't been that great of a day. We have a cold front coming in. I didn't expect it at all. We're gonna go to the south, to the east of Puerto Rico, and then we're gonna camp in Caguas, almost Calle, in another farm. I'm sorry I couldn't film in Playuela. I promise you I'm coming back and I'm gonna camp again there. I'm gonna do a full vlog because I love the place. But in the morning it was pouring rain. We couldn't do nothing at all since 5 a.m. and it's still going on. It just sucks. So I don't know, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna have one more stop. I'm gonna pick my friend up. You're gonna see everything. Let's go back to the road. So what's up, guys? We stopped in the mighty van and we're on a kiosk of a friend of mine. I studied with her on university. We started marketing together, and I'm gonna show you this part. They do limbers. I already showed you in my first video what limbers are. It's like a shaved ice, but it's like frozen juice, something like that. So I'm gonna show you. This has been in her family for so many years, more than 25 years to be exact, and she's gonna be showing us some of the flavors. Let's go.
Mis amores, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Cristal. Aquí nos encontramos en el quesito de la 115. Esto es en el kilómetro 19.7 de Aguada. Somos muy reconocidos por nuestros dulces típicos, nuestros limbers. Tenemos 43 años de experiencia. A continuación, por parte de las cosas que hacemos, todo lo de la vitrina lo hacemos nosotros, desde la masa hasta lo que tenemos dentro. Contamos con una variedad extensa de empanadillas, tales como pollo, langosta, camarones, muelles, nuestros famosos pinchos temeros, que ya lo que queda es solo uno. También contamos con fresca ensalada de pulpo, con pionono. Gente, si ustedes vienen aquí y ustedes no prueban nuestra mazamorra, no vinieron. Así que esto es uno de nuestros dulces típicos. Aparte de la mazamorra, también contamos con tembleque, arroz dulce, entre otros postres. Así que los esperamos aquí.
So now you know where to come. You have the best. She's the best. You have all of the local sweets and traditional sweets and candy. She makes them all. Everything in-house by hand and over 45 years. Her whole family's in the business. They run it together. She's an amazing person. This is an amazing place with quality food, quality stuff in Aguada, the west side of Puerto Rico. So guys, right now we're at El Faro de Rincon. This lighthouse was founded in 1921. This is a very, very touristy spot here in Puerto Rico. Something that must be on your to-do list if you're passing by in the west side. And I'm gonna try and go inside and check it out. Get you some quick clips. And there it is. Look at that view right there, man. I just love it. And so right now there's a few people, but everybody's with their distance. You can have your own spot. You can just chill, walk around, and have super amazing places just to stop by and see. Here you have your bar. They have mojitos, they have food, they have everything you need to have a great, great time. And now to the moment of truth. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing here. I'm in Ponce, I'm in the city, and look at this, holy damn. So guys, almost 7 p.m. right? I don't know, it's so late. We stopped to get a drink, use the bathroom, and just go. We're at Ponce. We're going to PapaRupe Brewing Company. I really want to know if I'm saying it right or not. So come with me, let's go. Boom.
Bienvenido a PapaRupe Brewing, yo soy el dueño, Gabriel Rodríguez Bonilla. PapaRupe Brewing es una cervecera, una nano cervecera dentro del casco histórico de Ponce. Tenemos más de 20 cervezas de barril siempre y también producimos nuestra propia cerveza, así que cualquier cosita lo pueden encontrar en Facebook, Instagram como PapaRupe Brewing Co.
I was suggested this by a lot of my viewers because I didn't know about this space right now, but when they're talking about outdoor dining, this is actually how they do it. They have a little bit of space. They were telling me this house was from the 1880s, so it's actually part of the historic parts of Ponce. They have the original blueprints, which are the ones that you saw already on my clips of the house. They also have the murals of the owner, the former owner, and his brother has a museum house here in Ponce, Puerto Rico too, but because of the earthquakes, it got closed down. So we're gonna chill in his brother's house. We're gonna have a beer. We're gonna continue our adventure around the island. Guys, we're going so high in the mountains. The fog is
crazy. I cannot almost see the vehicles in front. And look at the temperature. Look at 66 degrees. Who says it doesn't get cold in Puerto Rico? The wind is so high, it's twisting my truck. Look at that. Oh my. Wow. So guys, we're 5 minutes away from the place. I left a message at 6 p.m. Holy fuck, look at the street. Okay, so we have a little bit of a scheduling problem, so I was gonna arrive a little bit late, but so they haven't replied to me, and then I called and they didn't reply to me either, but I paid and I've talked to them and I reserved everything. So I'm kind of scared, but let's see what happens. Hopefully we won't have any problems, but we were getting so much fog during the, oh, there's a car coming. It's a one car lane. Look at this. I have to go in the gutter. He just said I was driving drunk. I just screamed, oh my god, está quedando bocache. Yes, yes, we're on our way. I cannot see anything right now. Holy, oh my god, I'm not stopping for anything or anyone. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Ah! In a blind turn. He was going so fast. I swear to God, I'm shaking. Wow. Can you believe that happened? Oh my God. And between the fog, the car, and everything, oh, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I want to get there so bad. Look at the time right now, 9:46. From Aguadilla, through all the coast, the highway, all the way to the east. We almost didn't make it. It's been raining all day. We got rained out. At least I flew the drone a little bit, but the drone is acting up a little bit now. So today has been an adventure. We were going on that road. We almost hit the truck almost hit us actually because he was going fucking fast. But we made it. We made it, and wow, you guys, I can't wait till there's some daylight to get some drone footage. I've been driving for all my life. I've been through a lot of, woo! Oh, I've even rode over 4x4. So when I tell you I was scared as hell on that road, I was scared, but it was worth it. Tomorrow you'll see why. Nice adventure. So tonight I'm gonna leave it here. Good night, guys. Peace. See you tomorrow.